Hey everyone, Pismo Beach is a great spot to stop and explore if you're road tripping the PCH with kids. From its famous shoreline to their tasty foods, the beach town has a lot to do within a short drive of its main touristy area. If it's your first visit, you might want to check out the Pier Plaza. Completed in 2020, the Pier's refreshed area is a welcoming spot for visitors. There, you'll find a great picture opportunity with the city's namesake sign and a small whale-inspired playground off to one side of the boardwalk. If you head under the pier, you'll walk on some of the finest sand we've experienced on the coast, which stretches on for quite a distance during low tide before it touches the ocean. And if you're visiting the area between November and February, we also recommend driving south to the Monarch Butterfly Grove, which is home to one of the world's largest monarch butterfly overwinter colonies. In the past, millions of monarchs would stop to cluster here and wait out the cold temperatures. Unfortunately, the changing climate has decimated the butterfly's population in the last 20 years, with only an estimated 15% around today. Even with that number, it was amazing to see some of the trees covered in butterflies, making it hard to imagine what the grove looked like back in the day. Food-wise, Pismo has plenty of good options to try while you're there. For lunch or dinner, one of the city's most famous dishes has got to be the clam chowder bowl at Splash Cafe, which has a reputation that keeps the line snaking around its building throughout the day. We grab a bowl every time we're in Pismo, and it's never let us down. For breakfast, we really like the biscuits and gravy from Beach and Biscuits. The hearty dish is a winner in our book, but it's a heavy meal for sure. And if you manage to have any room left over from either one of those two eateries, grab a warm cinnamon roll from Old West Cinnamon Rolls. It's a gooey baked masterpiece worth the taste if you're into sugary sweets. Hike-wise, Shell Beach Bluff Trail is a very easy one you can do with kids. The Scenic Cliffside Trail is only a mile out and back and is paved all the way. It's a beautiful walk with great views of Pirates Cove and Pismo to the south. But the lack of shade can start to cook you, so bring an umbrella and sunblock. And if you're looking for something scenic without a walk, check out the Dinosaur Caves Park at the city's northern tip. It has an excellent playground for the kids with many unique structures to play on, with a cliffside view of the Pacific Beach and the Pacific Dunes that we reviewed earlier in a video before. It's our absolute favorite thing to do in the area with kids, and it's free to enjoy. Or you could check out our San Luis Obispo County playlist here. And we'll see you soon for more fun options for families around California.
Thanks for watching.